Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a review, and this review isn't anything crochet related this time. It's more like a drink related review, and it's a Maars Insulated. It's a double layer acrylic insulated 32-ounce tumbler. I bought this one. This was a set of 3, and I got a blue and a purple one for $18.99 on Amazon. The reason why I got this was because I noticed since I am pregnant again, I have been really thirsty. So I drink a lot of water on a daily, and I had bought one from Starbucks. It was glass, and it was only, I think, 20 ounces or 24 ounces, and I can't really use that when my son is awake. So I bought these plastic ones, these acrylic ones, solely so that my son can use them, because he likes to drink out of straws. He likes to drink out of straws a lot more than using sippy cups. And I figured, since, you know, I like to share my drink with my son, I might as well buy this. And also, my fiance really liked my Starbucks one, but Starbucks tumblers are quite expensive, and I had already bought him a coffee tumbler from Starbucks not too long ago. It was around the same time that I bought my my cold drink tumbler. So I decided, why not look on Amazon, and I came across the Maars brand and saw that they were, it's not really a sale, but they were having a set of 3 of these double layer acrylic cold drink tumblers, 32 ounces for $18.99, and I thought that's a really great deal. There weren't really much reviews. Some of the reviews were kind of bad. I think this was like 4 out of 5 stars, so I was kind of skeptic at first, but I was thinking, well, they're $18.99, and if I ever got or received that one of them or most of them broken, or I didn't like them, I could just return them anyway. So I got them, and I am actually really pleased. Of course, this isn't as great as a Starbucks tumbler, but this does do the job, and it's 32 ounces, and this is a set of 3 for $18.99. That's a pretty good price. So I like the tumblers. I think my fiance likes the tumblers, and I don't even have to worry about my son grabbing it, because he likes to grab things, and I don't have to worry about him breaking it. It's plastic, it's acrylic. It's I guess acrylic is a much harder plastic, so it's really great. Especially the top, you can unscrew it, so I like that. You can unscrew and screw it. It stays tight. The one that I have, since it's a glass cold drink tumbler, the top part just sits there with like a plastic that just holds it in place. So this one I like. Very kid safe, kid proof. And the only thing that I did not like, which now I understand why people bought replacement straws for this, the straw that comes with this tumbler, it is so cheap, but that makes sense because they were $18.99 for the set of 3. So I guess it makes sense that the straw was very cheap. So knowing that that I kept seeing at the bottom that these tumblers were sold with the replacement straws that I had bought along with it, I just went ahead and bought the straws, so I didn't have to go through the process of hating the straws and then having no straws for it. So I purchased the, what is this called? A-Link. The A-Link straws. This is a set of 10, and they come in different colors, and it comes with a cleaning straw. I actually liked that because I was just going to buy the tumblers and then buy a cleaning brush for the straws, sorry. And when I saw these, set of 10 with a cleaning brush, that comes with this, it's only $7.99. So I was like, well, that's a pretty darn good price. And it's a hard plastic. I already used one of them, which is this pink one that comes with, that I put with my tumbler. So I have these left, these colors left. And of course I'm not going to care about the color once this one gets kind of old. I don't have the cleaning brush right now because I just used it to wash out my my tumbler and my other tumblers, but it's just a stainless steel cleaning brush, and if it ever gets old I can just go online and buy it again off of Amazon. So all in all, I am really happy with these replacement straws. They're 10.5 inches long, so it will fit on a 32-ounce cold drink tumbler like mine, and then it'll fit on a like 24-ounce cold drink tumbler from Starbucks. And I'm actually pretty pleased with this. I like it, and now I don't have to worry. I actually purchased these items I think last month, and I waited a whole month to actually test out the products that I purchased so I could review them. And I like this, and I like how I can put a lot of ice in here. Don't have to worry about it chipping or breaking the acrylic tumbler. I have to worry about putting in ice in my glass tumbler from Starbucks. I really like this. I would actually give this a 5 out of 5, even considering the fact that the straw isn't a good straw that comes with it, because I can just replace it. That's a little minor thing. I wasn't like some customers that received theirs cracked or broken. Some received the lid cracked and I think the inside or the outside of this double layer tumbler broken. So I'm pretty pleased with the quality that I got this for. The price was really great. So if you guys are interested and are looking for tumblers like these for the coming hot months, which is already getting hot here, I'll leave the link down below. I'll leave both of the links for the tumbler, the set of 3 tumblers, and for the replacement straws. So please leave a thumbs up for this video if you liked this video. Please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this review and if I should do any more reviews like this. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye guys.